From the enrollment task, you can upload your ID photo, just click the link. To enroll, just click the select button next to your course. From this page, you will see your enrollment tasks. They have to be completed in order and will turn dark blue when ready to complete. The first task is your personal details. Here you will see our privacy statement. Click the link to read and then the I agree button to continue. Next, you will need to confirm that your name and home address are correct, as well as an emergency contact. Complete all of these and then click Next. Now we need your term time address. Click the button if it's the same as your home one, or complete the details if no. Here, make sure you add the email address you use most and your mobile number if you have one. Click Next. Now you will be asked 2 questions: whether you are considering working as well as studying, and to confirm if you have access to the internet and either a PC, laptop, or tablet to help with your study. Answer these, then click Next. Make sure all of the pink boxes here have something in, even if it's not applicable. And if any of the grayed out boxes are incorrect, please make a note for later. Then click Next. Next are 4 questions relating to employability and your current thoughts on your career. Please read them carefully, and question 4 needs an answer in all boxes before you can click Submit to move on. Click Exit. This page shows you all the answers you have provided. Check and make a note of anything that is incorrect. Click Close. You will now see that that section has turned green to show you have completed it. And the next one, Education, is now ready to complete. Please choose I do not know if you've never heard of a unique learner number. Also, please confirm whether you have studied for at least 6 months on a higher education course before this one, with details if applicable. This next page confirms the qualifications you have told us about prior to starting. Click Next. Then you will see a summary of your education, and again, if there is anything missing or not correct, make a note. Click Close. You can now move on to the fees section of enrollment. It is important that you read and understand this page, as it has a direct effect on any funding you may be eligible for. If student finance, an employer, organization, or someone else is paying your fees, make sure you click No from the drop-down box. If student finance is paying, please add either your student support number or your customer reference number if either is no. Read the next yellow information box and confirm this below. Then click Next. Here you will see your course title and fees for the year. Please read the blue information box. You can click the links to read the regulations and policy, and then make sure you tick the 2 buttons to confirm you have read them before clicking Next. You, again, will see a summary of this section. Click Close. The next section, Module Registration, is now ready to complete. This will show a list of the modules you'll be studying this year. Most new students will have a set program of modules that simply need to be confirmed by clicking the button. After you have clicked Confirm, just click back to Enrollment. Now you can complete the declaration. Please answer this and then click Next. The next section is the ID upload task. Due to COVID-19, we've had to change how we would normally do ID checks to complete your enrollment. You now need to upload documentation that will allow the university to complete this check remotely. You will need to provide either one piece of evidence from Section A, or if you cannot provide any of these, 2 from Section B. Please note, if you are unable to find documents in your name from this list, you may use correspondence in your parent's name provided their surname is the same as yours, and the address matches your home address on enrollment. You can then simply either drag and drop or browse your files to upload the images. Make sure you add the name of what you are uploading, then click Upload, then click Next. Lastly is the confirmation task. Read all of the information and click the relevant links to ensure you have fully read and understood our bylaws, regulations, rules, codes of conduct, etc. Then tick the relevant boxes and click Confirm. That's it. You're enrolled. Congratulations.